What if the distance you feel in your marriage right now is not the end, but a warning? A warning that something needs your attention before it's too late. Most marriages don't break in one moment. They slowly fade through silence, misunderstandings, and unspoken pain. You stop talking, you stop listening, and eventually, you stop trying. But here's the truth. Every strong marriage you see today once went through a phase where everything felt like it was falling apart. The difference? They chose to fight for each other instead of against each other. The first step to saving your marriage is simple, but powerful. Start communicating again. Not to win arguments, but to understand each other. Because sometimes your partner is not ignoring you. They're just waiting to feel heard. The second step is letting go of ego. In relationships, it's not about who is right. It's about what is right for both of you. Apologize when needed. Forgive even when it's hard. Because holding on to anger only creates more distance. And the third step, bring back connection. Remember why you fell in love. The small moments, the laughter, the effort. Love doesn't disappear, it fades when it's not nurtured. So start again. A message, a hug, a simple, "I appreciate you." These small actions can rebuild what feels broken. Because deep down, most relationships don't need a miracle. They need attention, patience, and intention. Now imagine this. A relationship where both of you feel valued, understood, and connected again. That future is still possible. If you truly want to rebuild your relationship and create a stronger, happier marriage, check the link in the description and start changing your life today.